pushing your tush back. So we start from a belly position, and I have a couple of options for your arms. So ideally, we want elbows in close to your rib cage so you can relax these upper traps, and you can use your biceps, your triceps, as well as some muscles in your shoulders and your lower back and your rib cage. So here, I'm gonna press the floor away from me through my palms and then lift my booty up by activating my core. Imagine there's a fire right underneath your belly button. You're trying to pull your abs away from it and lift your booty and then press your forearms into the ground, pushing away and then setting your hips down on your heels. Tush push. So do it again and I'll face the other direction. On your belly. Hands by your sides. And then press through the floor. Lift your butt up as if there was a fire under your belly button. And then push by laying your forearms down, finishing the push through the whole arm and the palm. And then you're sitting on your heels. So another option is to widen your elbows a little bit, but I want you to work towards getting your elbows close. So it could look a little bit like this. And it would not be wrong necessarily, but we do like keeping the biceps lifted towards the sky. It helps to activate muscles in a really nice way for pole dancers. So remember, it could look like this, pushing through with wide elbows, booty up, push. But you want to work towards getting your elbows in tighter, closer to your body. Good, I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later.